Welcome back to a new episode on the channel. If I mentioned in the last episode the postal service is terrible, I only got one upgrade in, and this hand foam thing. When I wash it, I can spray the foam on the motorcycle or car. I'm going to test out today. And the upgrade that I got is this plexiglass shield. Because I'm so tall, I'm above this windshield, I got full the wind on my helmet. It's very noisy and my helmet is shaking when I'm driving fast. What I'm going to do is mount this here, so it will be higher and I will be out of the wind. So let's continue and put this together. So there's no manual with this screen, but I think it will be straightforward to put this on. This is going over your screen. You can adjust it any way you want it. And I think this is what's put here. They even supply you with some tools. So, and this is, I think it must be done here first, this, and then slide it in. So, now I assemble, put it together. Let's put it on the bike. So if you can see, the mounting is very easily. When you put the screws here on the back, just mention that your iron plate is not shifting. With this you can adjust it a little bit lower, a little bit higher, and any part you want. I put it a little bit off at the highest point, and tomorrow I will test it when I'm driving to work, how this is functioning. Is it not good? I will put it off and I don't try it again. So now we're going to test out my foam to wash the bike and see how this is working. So what I have here is a foam sprayer. I just filled it up until this edge with some car wash shampoo and the rest water. And what we now must do is pump some air in it. And just push the button. It's ideal for a quick wash.
I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.
I know this is a short episode because the postal service here is terrible at the moment. What I did today is put on this extra screen. I will look at tomorrow when I'm driving to work how it will work. I will tell you in the next episode. And I used the foam sprayer. It's working very great. For a quick wash it is perfect. And to wash your car and everything, you can use it very handy. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. What I mentioned is, for the noticed, a lot of you people are not subscribed to my channel. You'll be helping me a great time when you are subscribed to my channel. And when you put post notifications on, you don't miss out anything on our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.